Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong money and career reading for January 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see, Scorpio. What's up with your money, career, finances for January? 9th house. So, foreign travel to, adventure. You're going on an adventure. Yung iba, meron kayong opportunity to work abroad, to travel abroad, dahil sa inyong trabaho. And this is also about higher education. So, maaring meron kayong mga bagong pag-aaralan na related sa mga interest ninyo. And you want to, kumbaga gusto mong subukan kung meron itong magbibigay ito ng source of income sa inyo. You are also healing from your financial struggles in the past. You are changing the way you earn money. So, mayroon kang binabago or babaguhin sa pamamaraan ng pagkita mo ng pera. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng aalis sa trabaho para meron kang bagong i-explore, i-discover na ibang opportunity. So, transformative para sa inyo to. Let's see what else. Siguro yung iba, meron kayong mga failed na mga projects, business, or career na you are still healing from it, no? Kumbaga, inaayos mo yung situation mo na kung ano yung pwede mo pang ma-save doon. But I think for some of you, it needs to change. Na meron tayong kailangang magbago. Merong delays, complicated. Okay? So yung iba pwedeng kung kayo ay nagbabalak mag-abroad, meron ditong delay sa travel, pwedeng sa flight, delay sa mga paperworks, but maayos nyo naman to. Merong taong tutulong sa'yo. Kumbaga, lang yan may mga bagay lang na kailangan mo nang asikasuhin or ayusin ka para flawless na pag-alis mo. You also have a mirror, which is being self-aware. Ina-assess mo rin yung sarili mo kung ano pa yung pwede mong i-improve, no? And you are appreciating yourself, your talent. So, ito yung tipong na-realize mo yung worth mo sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. At gusto mo na makuha mo yung dinideserve mo talaga. Kaya for some of you, I see you leaving a career or a job for a new opportunity. Because you feel na meron ka pang dinideserve na ma-experience aside from what you already have right now. Meron ka mga challenges ngayon sa career mo. Maaring ito yung tipong hinayaan mo lang na parang hindi mo siya talaga binigyan ng solusyon. And then ngayon, kailangan mo na talaga siyang harapin. Like for example, sa trabaho, alam mong hindi ka na masaya sa work mo, pero iniisip mo, meron ka kasing mga benefits pa rin na nakukuha dyan, no? But it's really taking a toll on your mental health. So, hinayaan mo lang. So, ngayon, nakikita mo na yung epekto nun sa'yo. And now, you want to make a change. Na decided ka na may baguhin. At harapin talaga yung matagal mo nang iniiwasan. So, your overall energy, diba? 10 of Swords. Ending. Meron talagang mag-e-end na mahirap na situation sa inyo sa trabaho, sa work. Some of you nasa toxic situation, no? Medyo toxic yung workplace ninyo, yung career, yung business, or yung financial situation ninyo. Pwedeng maraming umaasa sa inyo. Yung tipong binigay na sa inyo lahat ng responsibilidad nila na hindi mo naman talaga responsibility. So, maaring may mga tao na inaasahan mo, ina-expect mo na tutulungan ka pero hindi ka tinutulungan. Okay, so ngayong January, hahanap ka ng mga taong kakampi mo talaga that will help you para bumangon, makabangon ulit. So your challenge is the Eight of Swords. So I think meron ka talagang opportunities na before na hindi mo sinusubukan kasi natatakot ka. So, ngayong January, it's time for you to reassess ano yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo, ano yung iniiwasan mo. So, ngayon, gumagawa ka ng paraan or gagawa ka ng paraan para masolusyonan yan. Parang, I think you will have this realization na, teka, bakit ako magpapa-apekto sa mga tao sa paligid ko? Kailangan, meron akong sarili kong desisyon. So, I think you will convince yourself to decide for yourself. So, this is your opportunity. You have the moon. You will connect to your instinct, to your intuition, to your emotion, yung deepest desires mo. Ayan, kung makikita mo, pusa lang siya, pero ang reflection niya talaga is like, ano ba to? Yung parang jaguar, no? Ibig sabihin, you are bigger than you think. Diba? So, may opportunity ka na i-improve yung sarili mo. You have the Five of Wands. Ito yung paglaban, no? Lumaban ka. So, you have the opportunity na ipagtanggol rin yung sarili mo. Be more competitive, na wag mong hayaan na ibubuli ka ng iba just because they feel na hindi ka lumalaban. Di ba may ganun? Na pag hindi umaalma, parang lalo silang binubuli. So, for some of you, you have the opportunity to finally ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. So, your blessing, this is the Nine of Cups, this is wish fulfillment. Meron kang goal or wish na matutupad sa trabaho, sa business, or sa career mo ngayong January. You have the Two of Wands. Some of you, travel opportunities tong matutupad na to. Lalo na if you're really working towards it. Kumbaga, meron kang ginagawa talagang action, hindi yung nakaupo lang at naghihintay. So, as long as you are taking action, smile. You will soon experience a wonderful journey of inner discovery. See, you are trying to discover na yourself. It's a new you. Kaya nga may transformation dito. You are moving on. You're moving forward. The connection to divine guidance is within you. Kaya, magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. New rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. Yes. Magkaroon ng lakas ng loob na harapin itong mga pagbabago na to kasi pag may bagong experience, bagong opportunities, and of course, bagong pagkakataon para mapatunayan mo yung sarili mo na mas maging matagumpay pa. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.